Hey guys, thanks for joining me. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a while loop in Java. While loops are very useful when you want to do something in your program multiple times without having to write an individual step for each time. Let's start off with a simple example. So to start off, we'll declare an int variable x, and we'll give x a value of 0. Next, to start our loop, we'll type while x is less than 10, close that loop quick. While x is less than 10, we'll print out system.out.println hello. While x is less than 10, the program will continue to print out hello. So right now, since we aren't changing x at all, the program will continue to print out hello forever and ever. I'll show you what I mean. So right now, this is what we have going on. As you can see, it's just typing hello really fast. So we don't want that to happen. We're going to make it so that x increments each time so that it will eventually reach 10 and the program will drop out of the loop. So we'll increment x by 1 each time the loop runs by doing x plus plus. So when the loop starts, x will be 0. So the loop will print out hello, increment x by 1, so x will be 1. And it will keep doing that until x is 10. And once it is 10, it will drop out of the loop and continue to the next step. And just to show that it is dropping out of the loop, we'll type system.out.println end of loop. Now let's compile that. And as you can see, it printed out hello 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, and then printed out end of loop. So that's our first example. Now we'll do a more complex example. So for this example, we'll declare a boolean done, and we'll set done equal to false. And we'll also set x back equal to 0. To start off our loop, we'll say while, you can either do not done, or you can do done equals false. Inside that loop, we'll do if x equals 8, we'll set done equal to true. So that when x is equal to 8, it will change done to true, and done will no longer equal false, so the program will drop out of the loop. And we'll say else system.out.println x. So we'll increment x by 2 this time. So to do that, we'll type x equals x plus 2. So what this should do is start x at a value of 0 with boolean done set to false. So while done equals false, if x is equal to 8, boolean done will be set to true, and the program will drop out of the loop. Otherwise, we'll print the value of x and increment x by 2, and keep doing that until, of course, x equals 8. Just to confirm that we've dropped out of the loop, we'll type system.out.println end of second loop. Let's compile that. So it printed hello 10 times in the end of our first loop, and then it printed out x incrementing by 2, so 2, 4, 6. Once it equaled 8, it dropped out and printed out end of second loop. So yeah, that is how you create a while loop in Java. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, leave a like and go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thanks guys. Bye.